How you doing, guys? My name's Neil, and today we have a review of the Leatherman Super Tool 300. I got this knife about a year ago for Christmas. It came with this sheath, standard button, and it has a couple pockets for if you want to store a file in there. But we're going to put that away aside for now. So, when you first open up the knife, you have pliers, and these have replaceable wire cutters right there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but these are replaceable, so if you do a lot of wire cutting, you can completely just take them out and replace them. Or if you don't like the wire cutters at all, you can take them out completely, and you have a little bit more plier. You have needle nose pliers here, and you're probably wondering where the tools are stored. Right in the side here. So you've got your knife. Out of the box, this knife is extremely sharp and can cut hairs. You have a file. You have flathead, another thicker flathead, and whatever that thing is. And this thing you can attach a piece of rope to and put it in a bag, and if you ever need to grab it, you just grab the rope and it comes right out. Now keep in mind, all of these tools lock in place, and you can't see how you can't get that open, whereas you have to press the button on the back and it'll close. Now for the other side, we've got serrated blade, a saw, bottle opener, Phillips, and a small flathead. All of these tools in this one small, compact tool is a lot. This is also a very good buy for all of these tools, including a sheath. Including this sheath, this tool runs for around $60 or $70. You can find it at an outdoor gear exchange, or on Amazon, or on the Leatherman website. This thing is quite heavy. That's one of the drawbacks to this. If you don't like having a heavy tool, or you just like having just a small little knife, I would look into a different knife. I'll have a video up soon on the Gerber paraframe, and that's something you may want to look into. Alright guys, I'm out. Peace.